Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam. This is our evening time update, guys, and hopefully you guys are having a great day out there. Looks like we're going to talk about Dogecoin. Dogecoin has been going uppity up. Dogecoin reached as high as 16 cents, got rejected a little bit. We're going to be talking about that. We're seeing that Dogecoin right now is the most popular meme coin out there in terms of total sentiment. So that's kind of interesting. We're going to jump into that and we'll talk about why that's happening. We're seeing that recently there's been a lot of cool news about Dogecoin. So it looks like Dogecoin is kind of coming back to the forefront. And we got the devs tweeting out. We got a whole bunch of catalysts coming out. I've talked about that in a lot of my videos, guys. So it's a really great time to be alive. I'm still on my day off, so I'm just in my backyard. You can see the green rice fields in the back, and it looks like every day is getting green. So I just thought I would, share this video with you guys because I got green in the background. We're still seeing that things are looking pretty good overall for the crypto markets. Now we do have the pre-markets right now that are a little bit down. The pre-markets are looking red right now, so we're going to jump into that. And also, it looks like Shiba Inu is taking off as well. And Bitcoin is just on fire. We could be seeing $43,000 incoming for Bitcoin very shortly. So I'm super excited. I'm super bullish out there. So guys and gals, remember, this is not financial advice. It's just the OG in the house expressing his opinion. And this video is for educational purposes. I'm not a licensed financial advisor, guys. So this is a huge time to be alive, guys. So let's get it while we can, guys. So let's jump into the content without any further delay. So if we take a look at the heat map in the house, we're seeing that Bitcoin is at $42,641 in the house, and the dominance is still too high. It needs to come down a little bit, so I think it's going to come down overall. We're seeing that Ethereum is holding strong over $3,000, so that is very good in the house. So right now, it looks like things are really looking pretty good for the crypto markets. We remember we have the CPI data coming out later this week, so depending on the results of that, we could see a little bit of correction to the downside or the upside if the conclusion of the CPI data comes out positive, guys. So that is really good. But I think the big kahuna, what we really need to be talking about right now is the market cap. The market cap is looking very good at time of recording. It's about almost $2 trillion. Let's hope that when America wakes up, you guys can take it higher and higher. So I'm really expecting that to happen. We're seeing that the volume right now is also looking pretty good. We're at 54.63 billion, and the Bitcoin dominance, as I said, is this is the Litecoin watch chart, is at 40.64. So overall, we need to get the Bitcoin dominance come down, and then once that happens, we'll see more liquidity flow out of Bitcoin and flow into the altcoins. So I'm pretty excited out there. Let's take a look at the Dogecoin informatics right now. So we're seeing Dogecoin is at 15,687. As I said, it did get as high as 16 cents earlier today, and we're going to talk about that. And let's see how we can continue on. Looks like since Shiba Inu shot up and all the meme coins seem to be going up. We're going to talk about that and what's happening, what some catalysts are causing that. So we're seeing that about 53% of all the Dogecoin holders are in the money, 44% are out, and 3% are break even, guys. So that's not too bad in the house. We're seeing the price correlation between Bitcoin right now is holding its own. It's around about 0.81, so that is very good in the house. So what's going on, guys? Dogecoin is the most talked about cryptocurrency on social media after Bitcoin. So this is true. It seems that the popular meme coin Dogecoin suffered a loss of performance against Shiba Inu today. However, we're seeing that Dogecoin may be getting ready to come back to its old days of glory, because we're seeing that the sentiment out there. We're also seeing that Billy Marcus and the developers are tweeting much more than they were before. So that is bullish news. So we're seeing that there seems to be this whole cascading events happening for Dogecoin in terms of social media. The number of tweets are coming back up, guys. So as we see more and more people pile back in terms of social sentiment, this is going to have overall a bullish outcome for the coin, because sure, I don't want to say that Dogecoin is a hypey coin, but the social sentiment and the community does play a good part on also propelling the price, guys. And we do have a whole bunch of catalysts coming out. We got the Doge X, I talked about it. We got the Doge Cube that's going to go in lunar orbit. We've got those things happening. We've also got Ethereum Bridge. We got a whole bunch of things that are happening for Doge, so this is really good, and hopefully the community is getting behind it. And don't be vitriolic out there, in the tweets and stuff like that. We're all one community. We got to share, care, and love the Doge, guys. So let's love the Doge together. So it's a great time to be alive. So let me just clean up this chart here so you can see. So right now, as of time of recording, we're seeing that Bitcoin, Dogecoin is at 15.56 in the house, and we did get as high as 16 cents. And what I did talk about in my previous video traders, please go back and watch this. We have this W pattern that did form here, and you know, the neckline was right here, and you know, if we take the measured move of the neckline to the downside of this W pattern, and we put it at the point of breakout right here. Let me just change this green for you. You can see that we have broke out exactly as I predicted, and point of breakout, it was around about here. So we have around about there was a point of breakout, right, ladies and gentlemen? So we have broken out exactly as predicted. I said that we would be getting up to 16 cents. We did breach past 16 cents. We did get a little bit of rejection to the downside, but I think this is just momentarily, and we're going to be going up, guys. So this is really good news in the house, guys. So you guys should be pretty bullish about it. I'm pretty bullish. Look, the sun is shining. The sun is shining here in waves. So this is looking very good for Dogecoin in the house. So let's take a look at some Bitcoin news. So Bitcoin BTC shows bullish momentum, closes weekly candle above 42,000. So you can see right now, if we take a look at the Bitcoin price on the 4-hour chart, you can see that Bitcoin is doing very good. It's at 42,663. It has broken out of my $42,000 resistance level. That's become now a support right here. So this is looking pretty good. And if we look at our horizontal resistance that went all the way back to 2021, we can see we have broken out of this resistance level. So this resistance level now, this whole box now is going to become green, because this is a huge support level. And if we also go back here, we can see that our parallel channel has also maintained intact, and we haven't broken down in terms of our parallel channel. So that is pretty good. Things are looking very, very bullish for Bitcoin. And if you just convert that to the daily chart right now, let me just clean this chart up for you. Let me just clean it up. Let me clean it up. You can see here on the daily for Bitcoin, we're also looking very positive in the house. So this is very, very good. I'm so excited about Bitcoin, and I think that we could be seeing $45,000 incoming. Keep in mind that our yellow line, the white line, is the miner capitulation, and there's no chance of the miners, you know, starting to cash out their Bitcoin. That's absolutely not going to happen. So I wouldn't panic about that in the house, guys. So things are looking fantastic from the Bitcoin perspective. So that is bullish news, guys. Absolutely bullish news. We're seeing that Shiba Inu explodes 22% on the daily, and other meme coins follows. So we're seeing that Shiba Inu has broken out to the upside, and that is looking very good. Almost a 22% breakout for the Shiba Weeby. And you can see right now that Shiba Weeby is trading around about 27.88. Now it did get as high as almost 3.0 in the house, and we did have these patterns. I did tell you that we had this level of area of confluence here, and we did break out to the upside. We're above the 50-day moving average, so that is pretty bullish for Shiba Inu in the house. And you know, with that happening, Shiba Inu took off, and all the other meme coins have actually made a move. So the whole market is in green throughout the past 24 hours. Bitcoin rise taps 43K. So I think we're going to break past 43K pretty soon. And you know, if we take a look at the pre-markets in the house right here, we can see that the pre-markets right now are all in the red. So hopefully this is not going to be a you know, indicator of where the crypto space is going to go. I mean, there might be some profit taking happening. I wouldn't worry about that too much, but I think that overall we're seeing that the bullish scenario is playing out for Bitcoin. So that is very bullish. Let's get back to the Shiba Inu news. So we can see that Shiba Inu, however, surprised the market today, had a massive surge up to 22%. So that is good, guys. Take a look at this chart. Shiba Inu had a massive rise. It's come back a little bit, and that is looking pretty good. So this last time the cryptocurrency traded these prices was back in January. So around about January 18th, we saw Shiba Inu trading at these prices. Another interesting thing to know is that Shiba Inu's meteoric rise the last 24 hours has also brought the other cryptocurrencies and meme coins up. You know, like Floki Inu has gone up, Teddy Doge has gone up. Saitama's not been doing too good out there in terms of a meme coin. Saitama's down. Down. So that's probably a bit disappointing for Saitama holders, but Floki's up as well. Teddy Doge is up. Dogecoin is up as well, at up about 6.5%, and it's hit a high of 16 cents. So that's looking pretty good. So let's jump into some Bitcoin stuff happening right now. So feeling confident. Here's what to look for this week after Bitcoin hits 43,000. So I think that our next target for Bitcoin could be 43, 44, and 45,000. So we've got some huge resistance at $45,000 for Bitcoin. I think we're going to get there, guys. Absolutely, I'm feeling pretty confident in the house. So you can see that the whole Wyckoff accumulation pattern is playing out for Bitcoin, and we're in the reaccumulation phase right now, and we're right here on this chart, and this is very good. This is from DAM-EFX in the house. So this is looking pretty bullish, and we're right here. And once this spring hits, we could see ourselves definitely going up to 43. Then we should have a retest of that, and then that should take us to the upside, 43, 44, 45,000. So I expect a little bit of volatility, some upside, some downside, but the overall trajectory of Bitcoin is looking very positive. Looks like we're going to be going uppity up, guys. So in case you haven't realized it, Ethereum has hit bottom and is starting to make its meteoric rise, guys. So we're seeing that Ethereum right now is looking very good, and we're trading at right now at 3,072. So our $3,000 support line is holding. This was a huge resistance for many weeks, many months, guys. So it looks like we're breaking up the upside. You can see our upward channel of resistance is still holding, guys. So hopefully we can break out of this resistance line, but our upward trending support line, this white line here, is holding very strong, and you can see that we're just basically going in this channel up and down. We had a little bit of rejection here, and then a little bit of rejection there, but overall we're staying in this channel. So if we do continue to stay in this channel, we definitely could be seeing a $3,500 Ethereum coming in, and not too shabby, guys. So some of the predictions for spring, we could see, you know, in excess of $100,000, $150,000 for Bitcoin. Some people are saying $5,000 to $6,000 for Ethereum. Remember, don't quote me on that. TA is only right until it's not right, and we could be seeing a Dogecoin hitting 20-25 cents, hopefully in the springtime, if not higher. And if we get this whole Doge 1 launch this whole Doge 1 launch that should be happening in April sometime, this is going to be a huge catalyst that will send Dogecoin higher and higher to the moon, guys. So that is very huge and bullish in the house, guys. So right now we're seeing that regulators are starting to look at NFTs right now. What a surprise. With non-fungible tokens gaining popularity, more and more regulators are aping into that and starting to take a look at that. So this could, you know, you can see that if you look at the number of sales on OpenSea.io, the sales are not declining, the sales are actually going uppity up. So that's why regulators are taking a look at that. So that could be the next area where regulators are going to take a deep dive into the regulation space. We had stable coins. They've been looking at stable coins. You know, we had the whole XRP and the SEC thing that's going on right now. We don't know when that's going to be resolved, but if it is resolved in a positive way, this will be very good for crypto. But if XRP loses that case, it will definitely have a Debbie Downer impact and event on cryptocurrency, and will drive prices down, down. So guys, so far the pattern is spreading on the monthly. Does it continue? So I think it's going to continue. I mean, you can see that right now it's repeating. We had 3 red candles back in June. Remember when we had the all-time high, then we had these 3 green monthly candles, and then we broke down, then we went to the upside. So it looks like we're seeing this pretty much the same pattern coming. So that is looking pretty good in the house. And if these three candles on this pattern does form again, that would point us to an $80,000 price coming in springtime, and then in the summertime, who knows, guys. So, you know, a lot of people are uncertain where we're going to go, but definitely we're going to be passing the all-time high of $69,000 in the house. So I'm pretty confident about that. You should be confident about that too. I just thought this was kind of funny. As you can see, PayPal stocks, the dollar is going down, gold is going down, everything's going down. But and this is all being driven by inflation. And the only thing that's really deflationary is Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So keep that in mind, that Bitcoin is a huge hedge against inflation. We've only got 10% of the Bitcoin yet to be mined. So, you know, year by year, second by second, minute by minute, we're seeing that the amount of Bitcoin is getting less and less available to be mined. So at some point, the prices are just going to have to skyrocket, guys. So ultimately, your goal should be to accumulate as much Bitcoin as you can, and ultimate goal is to hold at least 1 Bitcoin, accumulate on Ethereum. Remember, I always talk about portfolio diversification. Do not have all of your eggs in one basket, because if you drop that one basket, all the eggs are going to be broken. So what I like to do, and this is not financial advice, I like to have a good split, you know, 25-30% in Bitcoin, 25-30% in Ethereum, and the rest of the 50% I like to have another 25% in all my layer 1s, and then after that the balance of 25% in other coins, like some meme coins, gaming tokens, and this and that. So, you know, what I like to do is I like to play in the top 50 to 60 coins. I tend not to go below that. and I definitely do not invest in anything that's younger than 2 years to avoid rug pulls out there. Sure, there might be some exceptions out there from time to time if the tokenomics and fundamentals look good and the developers come from a solid, good background. So it's really important that when you are aping into a cryptocurrency of any kind or any type, do your own research. Do not listen to only the YouTubers out there, because a lot of YouTubers get paid to shill coins, and I never do that. I would never accept paid promotions out there. So do your own research is so important. Look at the tokenomics. Go to LinkedIn and do a background check on all of the developers. See where they came from, and check if they've been involved in any kind of rug pulls out there as well. So guys, it's up to you. You guys have to manage your own crypto life. Remember, crypto's a jungle out there. So guys, do your own risk management. Turn on two-factor authentication all the time, every time. That's so important for you guys to do that. So showing much love to the community. Love. Let's take a look at Ethereum in the house again. So Ethereum is still trading at 3,069, so it's still looking pretty good. I'm very bullish on Ethereum, and my portfolio and your portfolio should be looking much better these days. We're seeing that right now. The Phantom right now is about to break past this resistance line here, and we have a huge resistance line at $2 and $32.40 right now. So looking pretty good. We're at $2.32. So it looks like we're breaking to the upside. So that's our next level of resistance, and I think we're going to see there. I think that we're going to see Phantom getting back up to these levels here, back up to $3 soon. So keep an eye on that. We're seeing a lot of the coins are actually starting to make a move, and that's all being powered by the King Daddy coin, Bitcoin in the house. Let's take a look at Solana. Solana is also looking very good. It's being supported by my upward trending line here. Our next level of resistance right now is about $126, so that is not too bad. We're not too far from that right now, and we're now at $116. So things are also looking pretty positive for Solana. It's had some regression, it's had some regression. It's had some downside for quite some time. So hopefully we'll start to see a reversal, and things will start going uppity up, because we can see back here in 13th of January, the high for Solana was about $158. So we got pretty close to about $299, which is an all-time high. So hopefully we're going to get up on there. There's been some, downside. There's been some profit taking. There've been some exploits. Remember, we had that whole wormhole thing. So I think that once Bitcoin start to take off and more things are going to start to power up for Solana. So I'm still holding lots of bags of Solana and dragging out there. If you're watching this, I want to say God bless you guys. And I want to give a big shout out to some of our members. Give a big shout out to Kate. Big shout out to Michael in the house, Dragon, David Ricine, Dickus Bear, Dan in the house. Upper Hand, welcome, brother. I appreciate it. Charan in the house. Karen in the house. All of these people, all these beautiful people out there. Tong Queen in the house. Hua in the house. Family, Nick Ann, and all my beautiful subscribers and members out there. And guys, this channel is about love. This channel is about support. And this channel is about spreading the good vibes. Remember, the OG, sometimes I get it wrong, guys. I absolutely get it wrong sometimes. But remember, crypto is a volatile. Crypto has its up. Crypto has its down. And nobody can be perfect. If I could guess the tops and bottoms 100% with 100% accuracy, I'd be a gazillionaire. I'd be richer than Elon Musk. I'm not, because I don't get it right all the time. But I just want to create a positive vibe out there for crypto space. And remember, I never do paid promotion. I'm never shilling. And this channel also supports the community as much as we can. Remember, all the super chats and all the merch and all the memberships, all that go to help the the more needy here in Vietnam, guys. That. Go back and watch the videos that prove that that's actually what we're doing. So let's take a look at the coins in house. So we're seeing right now that Bitcoin is looking pretty good. It's up about 2.43%. It's over 42,500, so that's looking pretty good. Ethereum is also up as well. We're seeing BNB is mostly up right now. It's at 425, so that's a good place to be. We're seeing ADA is up as well. Yesterday I did ape into ADA at $101.12, so it's up 3.46% from where it was yesterday. Solana is up as well, almost 2%. Luna is up as well, and there's been a lot of speculation about Luna, that Luna will be, could 2x or 3x from here. There's a lot of catalysts that are happening for Luna, so keep an eye on Luna. This is not financial advice. We're seeing that Polkadot is coming back. We're seeing the Doja Wars up 6% right now. Look at Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is blasted off to the moon, guys. So hopefully the Shiba Inus out there, you guys are, got your space suits on, because it's, pretty cold out there around the moon. So looking pretty good for Shiba Inu. It's at 28. Avalanche is also blasting off at 5.4%. Matic is also doing very good. good. We're seeing lots of green today, a lot of green. We're seeing Mana is also making some moves. It looks like the metaverse is starting to make some moves. Gaming tokens are back on, going full tilt again. Look at Phantom. Phantom's up 10.15%, so that is very bullish in the house, guys. So I'm having a great time. It's a great time to be alive. So guys and gals, do go back and follow me on my Twitter. I would appreciate that. Right now we've got around 3,943 people following us on Twitter. So follow, guys. Go follow us on Twitter. You know you want it. I want it. Let's get it, guys. And don't forget to go down there, smash the likes, subscribe, YB in the house, guys. It's a great day. It's a great day out there. We got the rice fields just like right over there, and you can see for miles and miles. And if you keep going straight, around about 6 or 7 kilometers, you actually hit the beach, guys. You actually hit the beach. So if you keep going that way, you've got the beach, you got the rice fields, and then Hawaii City is kind of like, hopefully you can see it. Hawaii City is kind of over in that direction. It's about 6 kilometers in that direction. So 6 kilometers in that direction is the city of Hawaii. And right behind me, going straight around about 6 to 8 kilometers, is the beach. So we're kind of like, our resort is kind of like smack dab in the middle of a rice field. And the reason we're here, and this is kind of uncanny and it's kind of an interesting fun fact, is we are one of the only resorts that have a natural hot water spring. So we have this hot water spring that's a very sulfur, similar to like Japan. Japan has these things called onsen. So we have an onsen, a natural spring that just produces hot water that's full of sulfur. So we have this whole onsen spa kind of thing, so you can go and take a kind of sulfur enriched bath. It's supposed to be good for health and this and that, so it's kind of cool. It's kind of cool. So that's what we're all about, guys. Do go down and follow my links, guys. Become members. This is not financial advice. Become a member, become a Patreon member, buy the channel a coffee, guys. I would really appreciate it. And don't forget to check out the merch, and also go to OpenSea.io. Check out our collection. We got all these NFTs, guys. Go over there. The links you can find below, and we got some beautiful NFTs. My absolute favorite is the Sushi Man. I don't know, I just love the Sushi Man, guys. So if you're interested in digital NFT art, go there and check it out, guys. And don't forget to go and check out the Wi-Fi Wifey's channel. Go do it right now. Show some love for the Wi-Fi Wifey. And the other thing that you guys have to do, go check out the merch. Check out the merch, guys. You're gonna love it. I'm gonna love it. And get the cup of love, the mug to mug, guys. So just take a look at the view, guys. The view is absolutely fantastic. It's actually stunning out there. We got the rice field. It's just so beautiful. It's absolutely a beautiful day out there. So I just want to say God bless you. I wish you guys were here. I wish you guys were here. Anytime any of my members or subscribers are in Vietnam, send me a DM, and you guys are welcome to come to the resort anytime. And you know, let's do it, guys. And hopefully we're going to plan some kind of offsite in Asia, probably going to do something either in Singapore or in Thailand pretty soon. And you guys are all invited. So I just want to say God bless each and every one of you. Much love in the house. I'll see you in the next one. It's a beautiful day. Can you see the sun shining? It's fantastic. It's an absolutely fantastic day, guys. Absolutely fantastic day to be alive. God bless each and every one of you. Thank you for being here. I love it. You love it. Let's get it. Woo!